Namaste and good morning. I am Urmika Godbole and today I am going to talk about why do I want to join the Defense Forces. May I begin? Ma'am, may I begin? India! India! Who in the audience has never cheered for India during cricket matches, space explorations, or other international events? How many of us here haven't shouted the slogans Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, or Bharat Mata Ki Jai? What is that one composition which has been by heart ever since we were toddlers? Our national anthem, which is that one quality instilled in us without anyone teaching us? Patriotism. We all love watching movies, don't we? Whether it's action, drama, or those intense patriotic films that give us goosebumps. Personally, every time I watch a movie like Uri the Surgical Strike, I literally sit up straight and feel like shouting, "How's the Josh?" Even when I'm just sitting with popcorn. And my Josh? It's "Hi sir, as I, Urmika Godbole, want to join the Defense Forces." Today we breathe freely because we live in a free world. This is only because of the outstanding valor and impeccable commitment displayed by the Indian Defense Forces. India is not just a country. It's our home. It's a feeling, an identity, and the source of immense pride. Serving our motherland to protect the billions of countrymen is a prestigious job that cannot be compared to any other. While serving on the border, placed on some of the most difficult terrains, I may confront several challenges. Yet, motivation, leadership, and pushing myself beyond my limits to rescue the homeland will mean everything to me. I get energized by listening to my grandfather, retired Commander Vinayak Agashe's submarine experience of the 1971 Indo-Pak War. He was awarded the Vishishta Seva Medal for his selfless service. I get excited when his son, Wing Commander Anand Agashe, describes how his team airlifted 1,000 people stranded in the flood-affected areas of Himachal Pradesh in 2023. In 2024, he won the Vayu Sena Medal Gallantry Award for his fearless actions. Both of them demonstrated duty before desire and courage before comfort. I am inspired by this noble duty. Have you ever thought about those fancy travel influencers on Instagram? Hey guys, today I'm chilling in Bali, or just landed in Paris. Well, I think soldiers are the OG travelers. One day they're in the icy peaks of Leh, next they are deep in the deserts of Rajasthan. But unlike influencers, soldiers don't travel for likes. They travel to protect. Also, I must admit, I've always wanted to travel, but not the touristy kind. I want to station at Siachen with the army, soar in the skies with the Air Force, or sail the mighty oceans with the Navy. And speaking of the uniform, let's be honest, there's something magical about it. Whether it's the crisp olive green of the army, the cool blues of the Air Force, or the bright whites of the Navy, those uniforms carry responsibility and power. I want to wear it, not just for the look, but for what it stands for: unity and loyalty. I dream of the day when I will hold my head high and salute the tricolour in my uniform. My aim is to serve the country and safeguard the countrymen till my last breath. I am stimulated by the Kargil warrior, Captain Vikram Batra's thoughts. Either I will come back after hoisting the tricolour, or I will come back wrapped in it. But I will be back for sure. In essence, I want to join the Defense Forces to serve my motherland with honesty, discipline, and courage. I aim to build a strong personality and dedicate my strengths and skills to ensure the safety of my fellow citizens. I am fascinated by my family's spirit, motivated by martyr sacrifice, and stirred by soldier service. I want to wear the respectful uniform and live with an undaunted motto in life. The nation comes first.